Ready? Come on over. Ready for brushing teeth? Wow! All right. Zinja, you ready to get your teeth brushed? You just love getting your teeth brushed, huh? Such a good boy. Ready? Okay. Open up. Good job. You love that. You love the taste of it, don't you, huh? Yeah, look at that. And Zulu's jealous. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Gentle, gentle. Yep, get those gums. Yes. Brusha, brusha, brusha. You love the taste of that, don't you? Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. We're going to get some gel. And sister's waiting patiently. Oh, love it. Get in there, yeah. One more time. Get a little bit in the back. Yeah. Good job. Lick my finger. Awesome! You did good. All right, Zulu's turn. Ready, Zoo? Been so patient, little girl. Yeah, you just can't wait. You love it. Love it. Get your teeth brushed. Love that, huh? This is the toothpaste. They love it. Oh, you like that too. This is the gel. They love that too. Good job, Sue. Oh, somebody's belly. Let's get those brusher front ones. Come on, I know it's a challenge. You're smiling for the camera, huh? Get a little excited. Good job. All right, we're gonna do gel. Whoa, buddy. Yeah. Okay, hold on, one more side. And then we're done, Zoo. You did good. Look at those teeth. Look at those teeth. Look at those beautiful teeth. Look at that. Yeah! You're a beautiful girl.